misunderstood. These are the positions enjoyed by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and these are the fundamental teachings of Islam, and these are the main features and characteristics of Islamic teachings, and the model of the behavior of Prophet Muhammad, which has made him everlasting model of perfection for the humanity. In spite of this fact that mankind has achieved a lot of advancement, but the more advancement would be achieved by the human thought, the mankind and human thought would never be able to cross the limit which has been fixed by the character and teaching of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Talking on the subject of the Muslims' relations with non-Muslims, although everywhere the Muslims were the rulers and non-Muslims in those days used to be the minorities, but just try to understand the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam before blaming anything. It is narrated in Hadith, Sunan Abi Dawood, and Hadith number is 3052. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Be aware of this fact. If anybody performs any act of violence or infringes a right of a non-Muslim, or violates a right of a non-Muslim, or does any act of injustice to a non-Muslim," Holy Prophet said, "By my God, on the day of judgment, I would be fighting the case of non-Muslim for him. I would be his lawyer." Holy Prophet said, "I would be his counsel and lawyer. I will fight for his right." This is Abu Dawood as-Sunan. Again, Holy Prophet, in the days of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a Muslim, for certain reasons, he killed a person of Ahlul Kitab, a man who was a Jew or a Christian. He was killed by a Muslim. فرفع الأمر إلى النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال رسول الله أنا أحق بن أوفى بذمته ثم أمر به فقتله. He said, the case was referred to Holy Prophet's court. He said, these non-Muslim minorities are under my and our protection, and I am responsible to protect their rights. So he ordered for the capital punishment against the Muslim who was the killer. And finally, as a punishment, the Muslim was killed as a punishment of killing of a non-Muslim. Holy Prophet declared that the blood has equal status whether it is of a Muslim or a non-Muslim. This was the status of a non-Muslim in the eyes of Islam, and this is the status.